Do you want to start your own cloud kitchen, but you don't know how profitable it really is? Well, in today's video, I'm going to explain you how to create the profit that you are looking for. So let's get started. First of all, you must know that a cloud kitchen, a hidden kitchen, or a ghost kitchen, the basic infrastructure that it has, it's only the preparation area. For example, the pizza line, the wings line, and the tacos line, and goes directly to the pickup cabinets where the dishes are stored until to be delivered. And that's everything. So it's very simple, as you can see. But to explain you with more details to obtain the profit that you really want, I'm going to explain you with an example. Well, for this you must know your prices, your average production prices. For example, your pizza may cost probably $2, 1 kilogram or 2 pounds that is similar, of wings $3, and tacos 10 pieces of them $3. And the average sale price, for example, pizza $6, wings $8, and tacos $8. And we're going to move to this sheet to explain you with more detail. Well, as I have told you before, the production prices are here in this column and the sale prices here. Now we have to calculate the profit margin. That is very simple. For example, just you have to with the sale prices minus the production prices divided by the sale prices again, and we have to multiply by 100 to obtain this number. This is a rounded number. If you can see, it has more digits, but for easier parts, I'm going to explain with only 67%. And then we're going to have to calculate the average profit margin. How can you do this? Well, just you have to write equal to average, and you can select the profit margin, and you obtain the average profit margin. Now we're going to move to the fixed or indirect cost, and this is for monthly basis. We're going to assume that we're going to hire 4 people, or we are going to work with 4 different persons that are going to prepare the different dishes, and a schedule of 10 hours per day working. It could be more or it could be less, or you can hire more people or not. Well, just it's dependent on you. And next we have to calculate the labor. The labor we have to calculate, well, the 10, probably the price of the hour, 10 the hours working, 30 the number of days, and 4 for the number of people that are going to help you. So in this case we're going to calculate $12,000 for month in the labor. Could be more, could be less, but it is according to your country and to everything about related this. Then the next part is their kitchen rental. In this case I am setting $2,000. If you are going to start in your own kitchen, probably you're going to erase this number, but if not, just you have to consider this, and it is really important to work with a professional kitchen to obtain the best results. And then the electricity that you have to pay, the cleaning, the accounting, because you have to pay the taxes, the advertisement. That this budget may change according to your quantity of money that you want to gain in the future, because when you are moving this number, obviously you're going to reach more people, and more people will know about your cloud kitchen, and probably they want to purchase you. So in this part I'm going to establish this number, but in a video that I have how to create a advertisement budget, I can explain you with more details. Just you can watch my video and for more information. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, it's time to do it. And well, the total fixed costs or the total indirect costs are $15,520. So we have the numbers here, and we're going to move here to this table that I have called the profit planning, or for me is the recipe. And the main reason is because this table is, well, the planning is made from the bottom to the superior part. And I'm going to explain you now. Well, in this part, when we have the net incomes before taxes for the first month, or at least, or the 3 months, probably we won't obtain any benefit. The main reason because we are, in this moment, we are not known by the people, just we have to work with this part to reach new people and so on. So that's the part that we were going to establish as 0. The next part are the fixed or the indirect costs that are the same, $15,520. That is the same number of these. And then the gross profits. We can calculate this with the fixed costs plus the net incomes before taxes. Then we're going to set here the average profit margin, 64%, and then we're going to calculate the sales, the minimum sales, to obtain these numbers. So we need for the first month or any month $24,250. Just how can we calculate this? Well, we have to divide the gross profit by 64%, and that's everything. Simple, isn't it? And then comes the average purchase sales. Well, when you realize, when you are going to start working, you are going to realize the quantity of the purchase sales per order. When you receive a notification or something related, you're going to realize. I'm going to place here just by the sum of these, the one pizza, 1 kilogram of wings, and tacos, $22. And you are going to watch, you're going to realize the number of products purchased. It will be an average, and you're going to set here. Then we're going to calculate the total customers that we need to target this number, and we need 367 customers. And we can calculate this by the division of sales divided by the average purchase sales and divided by the number of products, and we obtain the total customers. Now we have the total customers, and it comes the part of the advertisement, because, well, as it's the month 0, well, we don't have any customer, so we're going to have to create the new customers. So at the beginning, when we create all the strategy to reach most of the people, where we're going to place here a number that this could be 3%. This is an optimistic number because with digital marketing campaigns could be less. So just in this case, for to be optimistic. Now we need 12,247 prospects to achieve this number. As you can see, it is implemented, or it is planned in this way and implemented from the vice versa. Now we are going to set 10,000 as net incomes before taxes. It's the same fixed costs, and the gross profit are 25,000. Then the profit margin, it's the same, 64%. Now the sales increase to almost $40,000. We have the same average purchase sale, and then we have the number of products purchased that it could be the same. You can improve this number, and probably now you can sell 4, and now you need 453 customers, just increasing one number, but we're going to leave the same number. And now that you are working, you have a loyal and happy customer. You have 25 customers in this moment. Now, the new customers that you have to obtain are the total customers minus the current customers. Now are 579, and your closing rate increases. The main reason, because now you are known and it's easier to sell and people trust to you. So it is important here. And now you have a number of prospects of 9,653. As you can see, this is an easy part. The most important is to achieve these numbers, that these are our challenge. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video. My name is Edgarfxz. If you don't know me, it's time to subscribe to this beautiful channel, activate the bell, and see you until the next.